What's good, Hustle Mob? We back here with another hustle. What's your favorite family, the
Hustlables?
Yes, sir. You dig? You feel my boy in the background? They can't see you, bro. You gotta come down. So it's just me and my boy today. The other squad ain't here. They doing their thing. We out here today. Before we get into it, though, what you want them to do?
Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, do everything, get you notified when I drop these bangers.
Oh, my boy told y'all what to do. So if he told y'all what to do, y'all need to do it. So today we out here
at the Monster Jam.
Yeah, Monster Jam. We out here with the monster trucks. We about to get right.
Guys,
what's up?
If you get notified, we drop these bangers.
Yes, let him know. Let him know, my boy. Let him know. He don't play that. So we about to go over here. We about to get these
Monster Jams going.
We about to go over here and get these tickets.
Yeah.
And I ain't get my tickets online, so hopefully I'll be able to get my tickets.
Guys, I just
but I'm gonna let y'all gonna be able to see everything.
Yeah.
We gonna bring y'all so y'all can see everything.
Yes.
So let me get back to y'all once we get these tickets. Look at him. He already ready. He done bought himself a sword. Ready to go. Ready to see the Monster Jam, Monster trucks.
And kill some things.
Yeah.
Minecraft.
Whoa. Got the stand ready. Benches over here. Look, got the slides and stuff for the kids. So we about to be in this joint in a minute.
Papi, he's going to slide. I'll try to slide.
You want to try to slide?
Yeah, Minecraft. I can kill
we got 15 more minutes before they open up.
I'm going on the slide.
They open up at 5, so we got 15 minutes before they do.
But we going on the slide.
There's you?
Yes.
Who said you was going on a slide? Did I say you was going on a slide?
Yes.
Did I?
Yes. Hustlables, are you ready to go on the slide?
This day?
Yes. I will hold a camera.
Why you going on the slide?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, guys, let's go on the slide.
They ain't going. Yeah, we in here.
Mama.
Look at the trucks. They got the bikes over here. Got the truck right here ready to go. I'm trying to see that thing. See my boy able to get up in his truck. About to ride his joint. That thing. Yep. We about to get on that thing. See that thing? Yes, sir. About to get on a ride with that. About to go crazy. Ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure about that? Are you positive, my boy?
Yes.
Okay. Just double checking, cause the tickets are already purchased. Ain't no turning back, my guy.
I'm not scared of monster truck.
All right. We ready.
I want a monster jam.
We ready. Definitely ready for this thing. I'm trying to ride this bike. I'm trying to ride the bike too. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. We good, bro.
Everyone squeeze in close, please.
Yep. Come on. Let me buckle you in. Slide in. Watch. Don't hit nobody.
Josh, you can't do it. Blue and find the other blue one.
Hold it. There you go. Buckle in right there.
Got it. Smile.
Strap. Tighten you up. got tossed around.
How was it?
How was it?
Good.
Man, that ride was crazy. I literally was all over the place. My camera was all over the place. I don't even know. My footage was upside down all around. We was swinging back and forth. That's the house key, bro.
No.
We got tacos. We got tacos. We got corn dogs.
Oh, Bobby, you get
You hungry? What you want? It's a what? It's a hot dog. That's what a corn dog is.
A hot dog?
Yes.
Hey, give me a napkin.
I got wipes for you. So right now we just waiting, chilling for the show to start. We came extra early just to get on the rides, do the extra little activities. So while we doing this, I hope you enjoying this. We're gonna have some music in the background. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Go out and need y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can stay lit with the family every time. Please do so. Please do so. But it's a cool day. Me and my guy.
I get some car candy.
You getting some what? So my man is set.
Anything.
Nah, look at that. Look at him. Look at him, y'all. Look at this guy right here. He has a sword. He has his cotton candy, and he has a whole jug of lemonade. And earlier he had a whole glizzy. He had a glizzy in a blanket. So my boy's set, ready to go. He's waiting for the show. Right, buddy? What you doing?
Drinking my lemonade.
Drinking your lemonade? What you want me to carry some stuff to help you out?
Yes.
Nope. Not doing it. What you say?
Thank you.
Thank you for what? So we are here. We about to take this whole little walk. It's about to get real. You see us? We on the top floor. Top floor. Top view. So we're gonna be up here like this. We're gonna be up here like this, giving y'all full coverage of the event and what's going down. And I'm gonna be broadcasting live from Monster Truck 2021, baby. I definitely picked the highest place to go to. Yo,
They get the best of me today. I'm cheap.
Pop got the best of me. For real, for real. Show about to start.
Don't worry.
Look what we got in the building. Brothers in back in the building.
Take it over. 9,900, 2,000.
Yeah. We back in the building. So, about to go grab something to eat real quick. Poppy's good. Let's get it. We got a dream team out here. They about to get lit. Let's go, dream team. Did you see that?
Yeah, that one there, Billy.
Oh, hi! Hi!
From Massachusetts, and from Paramus, New Jersey, let's hear it for
Hey, getting active! Let's get it! Face licking. Okay. They getting freaky. They getting freaky out here. Okay. Yeah, boy. Yeah! Yes, sir! They about to race. Girl power against this green monster running over here. Who y'all got? Who y'all got in the comments? Girl power got smoke. guys. Hope you still with us. Hope you liking what you see so far. Hope you enjoy yourself. So while you doing that, you need to like, comment, and subscribe. I got a lot of music going on in the background, so I hope you hear me. If not, I don't know what to tell you. But all I need to know is tell you is that hit that like, hit that subscribe, continue to watch it. Appreciate you. Love you. Hustlables. Out. Yes. Look at the crybaby, y'all.
Your FMX rider is making their way up 45 feet there, 75 feet. Pull your cameras out right now, pull your cameras out right now, New Jersey, pull your cameras out.
My boy got lit. I'm messing up the whole view. Oh! Ghost ride the whip. Ghost ride the whip right here. Let's get freaky! Oh, let's get freaky! Yeah! Let's go, my guy!
New Jersey, I want to see you light up the stands right now. Pull those.
Let's go!
How you feeling up there? You ready to fly, my guy? You ready to fly? You got the crowd hype. They feeling the love. Do you feel the love tonight?
Yeah, now you do!
Once again, if you're standing across the lines near the net, please make your way back from the lines right now.
Yeah. We're not near the net. See, he's gonna shoot over there. See the net right there? That's where he's going. Hopefully I get a good shot of it.
Thumbs up is a go. That means we can count it down, but I want to know one more time, New Jersey, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make some noise for the human cannonball! New Jersey, make some noise right now for the human cannonball! Jersey, I need to hear you scream right now. Make some. They're ready and excited to see these monster trucks make their way out here for Monster Truck Freestyles, New Jersey. Show you right now for your Monster Truck drivers.
God. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all see what we doing.